What's going on, all my riders and gliders? We are back here with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be changing the lens covers for the blinkers on the Honda Navi. So we're going to go from the clear lens look to the smoke black look. Y'all check it out. So yeah guys, so I found these on Amazon. They are actually for a CBR 250 and 300 Honda, and the lens cover will actually match the lens cover on the Honda Navi here. So all we're going to need is my homie Phillips to take these screws off. 1, 2, and I'm just gonna swap the lenses out. I'm not even gonna install this whole thing right here, so you can forget that. So we're just gonna swap the lenses. Now stay tuned. All right guys, so here are the clear lenses on the Navi right now, and we're gonna go to this smoked lens that I purchased from Amazon. Link will be in the bio. Now I will say guys, when I purchased these, they were not in the best condition. They were new of course, but the lens, I don't know if you can see, the lens did have scratches and scrapes on it. Can't really see it here. And instead of sending it back, just causing me time and effort and then trying to find these again, it's gonna be a pain. So I took some compound and I buffed out what I could. Most of the surface scratches came out, so I didn't even bother returning them because they came out pretty decent. So I'll show you a quick before and after right now. I don't know if you can see that. See those scuffs? This is how they came from Amazon. Alright, here they are after hitting it with the compound by hand. Didn't take out every little detail, but it's a whole lot better. Alright you guys, so I know this is not the best view, but this is what I'm working with right now. It's just 2 screws, so it shouldn't be too hard. Not using power tools, I don't want to strip the screw. I don't want to miss and then hit the lens. So alright, so it pops off like so. There is a rubber gasket here, most likely for the water not to seep in. We might need that. Let's take this cover off now. I can already show you there's already a difference in the screws. Look at that. This is the Amazon one and this is the OEM. We're gonna keep the OEM. All right, yep, and the smoke lens doesn't even have a gasket. So we're gonna take the gasket from the OEM and put it on here. Alright guys, so I was trying to put the gasket on this, which was a fail. You're actually supposed to just set it in here first, along the edge, and then you'll be able to put the lens back on. Just, in case you were having trouble like I was, just think about it and do it this way. And we're gonna do the same thing on all 3. All right, guys, here's a quick side-by-side comparison there. Let me turn the blinkers on for you. All right, there's the left one there. And be sure not to over tighten the left. Be very, very generous, guys, because it will crack on you. All right, and there is the clear one. Not too bad. It doesn't really obstruct the light, so that's good. All right, guys, so here's the end result here. We got the smoked blinker lens covers here. Looks pretty good. Not bad. Let me take you around. All right, and here goes the back side here. All in all, I think they came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments here. All right, guys, so there you have it. It was a quick install. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and they'll get those screws right on out. Shouldn't take nothing but 5 to 10 minutes tops. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll let you know how they hold up, you know, being out there from Amazon. All right, and another perk is, you know, we get the spare light bulbs from the blinkers that we bought. So keep those away. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the OEM lens covers in case these fail me. I'll let y'all know if they do. Until then, guys, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.